Hey guys, it's Dr. Conklin here again at Animalia Health and Wellness. We have a very special topic today this month is February, which is Veterinary Oral Health Month, which is a whole month for us to focus on oral health and dental cleanings and things of that nature for our furry friends. So why is that important? Why is oral health important for dogs and cats? If you think back to when, I was younger, 30, 40 years ago, we never had dentals on dogs or cats or brushed their teeth at home or anything. But just like everything else in medicine, things have progressed and we figured out that there can be an enormous amount of disease going on inside the mouth. Bacteria accumulates on the teeth and at the gum line. It hardens over time. It forms something called calculus. It has to be kind of manually cracked off. And it causes bone loss. It can lead to tooth root abscesses and overall just pain from all the inflammation that happens in there. It really would be akin to you just never brushing your teeth in the course of your life or visiting a dentist. So you can imagine how gross that would be. So what can we do about it? It's very important and very helpful. There's things you can do at home with at-home care. And obviously the gold standard is going to be brushing your dog or cat's teeth. If you're able to do that every day, that's gold standard for at-home care. If you're unsure how to do that, stay tuned. Our technician, Misty Fields, will be doing a short instructional video on what areas to focus on, what to use, different tools you can use at home versus a kit, and give you a little guidance on what's the best way to do that. So that will be posting shortly. Secondarily, there is a whole myriad of products that can be used. There's a group called the Veterinary Oral Health Council, and what that is a group of boarded veterinary dentists that have a website. They have tons of good information on it, but one of the priceless things they have is a list of approved products, and that can be chews, toothpaste, oral rinses, water additives, things of that nature that they use and deem to be effective and safe in animals. So I will always encourage you to go to their website and look at that list and choose something off that list. One you'll see that's on that list that we use a lot in the hospital is something called Oravet. It's a chew. It's especially great for small dogs, and it helps with that halitosis issue as well if you're having some stinky breath coming out of your little furry friend. Nothing is going to replace a full anesthetized dental cleaning though. So a lot of question we get is why full anesthesia? And it's really for safety on both sides for our pets and also for the veterinary staff and our equipment. Having them anesthetized keeps our equipment safe so they're not biting down on expensive radiograph equipment, ultrasonic scalers, moving around, things like that. It's safer for your pet because we're rinsing the mouth a lot with water and flushes and all sorts of stuff. So it protects their airway more when we have an endotracheal tube in for full anesthesia. It makes it less likely that they'll aspirate something that'll cause a problem. When we do have an oral cleaning, what it entails is, they get entered in on a surgery day. They're treated just like a surgery, pre-op lab work, and assessment for any issues like a heart murmur or kidney disease. They're fully anesthetized. They have full dental radiographs to look for abscesses or problem teeth, ultrasonic scaling to get all the debris off and clean up those teeth really nice. If there's any teeth that are loose or pocketed with abscesses or look really weird on x-ray, we place local dental blocks in for pain management with lidocaine on top of other IV medications we give for pain, and remove those teeth either via direct elevation or with some oral surgery. Last but not least, we polish them up great and wake our friends up. We hang on to them for the better part of the day, same as other surgeries, to make sure their pain's handled well and give you discharge instructions to go home. So all in all, very comprehensive and can be really non-invasive. We don't have to start pulling teeth. So dogs we think about all the time. I just want to give a special consideration to our cat friends as well. Not only do cats need just general oral health help the same way that dogs do, probably more so because they're less likely to let us look in their mouths. Cats have a special condition. They can have something called feline stomatitis or resorptive lesions. And it's where their body starts attacking the roots of their teeth and kind of starts eating them away. So you can imagine it's a pretty painful situation. It looks a very specific way grossly to a veterinarian, and you can also best assess it with dental x-rays. So don't forget to get your cats in for oral health cleanings as well and radiographs so we can assess for that painful condition. Last but not least, if you have any questions or anything like that, we love to talk to you guys and assess anything, any concerns you have or any questions about your friends. Happy Veterinary Oral Health Month to all of you, and let us know if there's anything we can help with. Have a great day.